Good Monday morning, everybody. I am getting to my planner before I have to run off to class today, so I'm super excited about that. I'm going to try and keep this video as short as possible because I don't have 45 minutes to watch somebody plan out their week, and I'm assuming you don't either. So this was last week. I loved this spread. These stickers and everything were just fabulous. It was so pretty. I loved looking at it every day. But there's a lot of stuff I didn't get done last week. So yeah, moving on to this week. And I apologize for the shadow, but it's getting darker and darker later and later in the morning, obviously, as the year progresses, and so there's not enough light to have a video without some kind of overhead light. So this is my kit for this week. This is from Jax and Pepper. I'm so excited. The only other kit that I've used by them was the my monthly for October, which was this one, which I also absolutely loved. Yeah, so this is the Halloween kit that I've been excited about all month. So, get into it. I hadn't even opened it, see? Okay, so, I guess that's just the kit label, but there's full boxes with some empty little white boxes there. Some header boxes, I guess, there. Washi and some more labels. The everyday labels and some more boxes. A little bit more washi. And then the checklist and the date covers. I love the vibe of this kit. I love that it's photographs. Yeah, I just love it. And I also love that it's stickers and I don't have to cut them out, as I've been doing for the last couple weeks. So yay! So excited. So yeah, let's just jump into it. I think this time I'm going to use the date covers first, and I'm anticipating these are not going to cover everything because, yeah, I'm again using a kit that wasn't quite designed for my planner. I don't care. I have a lot to do this week. Some of the stuff that I didn't get done last week. My niece has a birthday on Friday, which I will hopefully remember. I meant to get a birthday card for her last week. Still haven't got a birthday card because, of course, I'm out of the birthday cards that I had before. Yeah, see, this is not quite going to cover, but oh well, I guess. And I'm aware that this week is half in November. In fact, it's more in November than October. But it had Halloween in it, so I kept it in October because priorities. Something I found, the further along the semester gets, the more professors like to give you to do. It's just fucking fabulous. Yeah. So, like today, there was a math test that apparently a lot of people did really badly on. And so the professor rewrote the test and is giving people the option to retake it if they want to today, basically. You don't have quite as much time because she's assuming that you at least got a few correct on the first one. But, yeah. Hey, don't do that. Puppy has graduated from the crate to being out while I do everything, and so he's usually pretty good about not getting into stuff, but, you know, not always. So. Oh, I can't use the weekend sticker. I don't have anywhere to put it. That's sad. I guess I could, like, stick it over here, but then I don't have any room to write. So, anyway, I can't use this Happy Friday sticker because by the time Friday comes around, I know I will be ecstatic that it is Friday. Yay! Okay. And let's go ahead and put the washi for this week. I think put it there. I like that. It's so nice to not have to cut anything out, I have to say. Super, super nice. Oh, and look at that. That one completely covers my green boxes, except that I got it crooked there, but oh, cool. Okay. And then this side, which I think I probably have to cut. I think I had to cut. I think there's something about this side of the planner that, yeah, it's slightly off somehow. Sorry, the camera stopped. So We've got the washi down, got the date covers, and let's go ahead and do the little today stickers. One of these days I'll put the dogs on video so you can see the critters that make all the noise while I'm trying to video things. I'm not even really doing anything for Halloween this year because I'm just so crazy busy, which kind of makes me sad. I love dressing up and going to parties, well, Halloween parties anyway. I'm too much of an introvert to really like other parties. But Halloween parties are fun because you get to dress up and everybody's just focused on your costume. It's got a little plan time sticker. I love that. I'll put that in here because obviously that's what I'm doing today. Does anybody else plan on Monday? I know a lot of people I think do it on Sunday as like their start day, but I like doing it on Monday. It just helps me get in gear, I guess, for the day or for the week. So let's go ahead and put in my work schedule for this week, which I don't think, no, I don't have anything else scheduled for October. So I'm going to pause this and check my schedule. Okay, so I only have 2 days of work this week. I have, we're going to use these like this. So I have Thursday. I lost my black pen somewhere, so I'm having to use a gray one. So I have Thursday work 4 to 8. Yay, super early. And then I actually have Sunday work. Right after I said I tried not to schedule things on Sunday. But yeah, not super happy about that, but whatever. I have work from 1600 to midnight, which royally sucks, but whatever. Okay, but those are my only 2 days of work this week, so you know, not that bad, I guess. Go ahead and use these, even though I really thought. Okay, so this kit does not have the little mealtime stickers like I've been using. So not sure what I'm going to do about that, because these are like header bars, but you can't really write on them and actually see anything. I don't have a white pen, I don't think. I'll have to look, but I don't think so. So I don't know. I guess I'm just gonna have to write my meal ideas down. Isn't that a shocking thing? See, these don't quite fit, and I never really know what to do with them. I like them. Well, I guess that's about it for the stickers. So to go ahead and start filling in my week, this says, oh yeah, okay, so today I have the math retest option. And on Wednesday, I have the math modeling assignment due. Thursday, I have puppy class at $1,300. And for my habit tracker this week, I'm still going to have walk Noah, who's the puppy that's crazy still, read, write, and both of those are not related to school, and then create, because it makes me happy. Okay, what else? Did I have anything on the monthly? Oh yeah, so there is a book club meeting at our local used bookstore on Tuesday at 7 p.m. that I'm going to try to go to just because I'm intrigued. I really like the shop owner. She's about my age and she owns her own bookstore, so obviously she's cool. And they're reading The Graveyard Book by Neil Gaiman for book club this month. So, yeah. What else? Phone bill is due. Are there any bill due stickers in this kit? Don't think so. That's interesting. So I guess I could use one of these. And that's for today. And that's my phone bill. So what does this phone bill do? What else? Noah has a vet appointment at 08 that I think I'm probably going to end up canceling. But I need to write it on there to remember to go in case I don't cancel it. What else? Oh, I need to get, so today I need to do grocery shopping. I need to do at least one load of laundry. I need to get my niece a birthday card. What else did I not get done this last week? Oh, I wanted to make peanut butter treats. These are for the dogs. They're peanut butter and coconut oil. It's fabulous. Their coats absolutely glow. Okay. Okay, and then they also have lab on Tuesday at 13:10. And again, like I've said before, I don't tend to fill in my week really far in advance because I don't always know what all I have to do. So doing my plan with me on Monday, it always looks a little sparse. So, yeah. Oh, I need to do my Harry Potter knit crochet house cup class. Really need to do that because I have 3 days left. Yeah, yikes. Oh, and I need to fill in these dates. What is today? Today is the 29th. Nice little blob there. 30th, 31st, and then of course we have the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. Okay, well, I'm not going to drag this on because I'm clearly having trouble coming up with what all I have to do for the rest of the week. So yeah, that's my week. I actually didn't use very much of this kit, so I know I'll add some stuff like as the week goes on. I'll probably use like some of the little flags and some of the other things, but there was a lot in here that I didn't use. These are so cute and I didn't use any of them. You know what? I'm gonna put one in here. I've got to. I've got to. So, and I guess I would like to know, like, what you all do with these stickers. I don't like covering my entire planner in stickers. So, I really don't know what to do with all of them, I guess. I would love to hear what other people do with all the stickers and what you do with your leftovers. I've been saving them all because I feel like I could almost get another week out of these kits. They're just so big. But I'd love to hear other people's thoughts about what you do with them all. So anyway, that's this week. Happy Halloween. If you're dressing up, I would love to see pictures or ideas what you're dressing up as, because it's just awesome to see other people's costumes. But whatever you're doing, have a great week. Happy planning. And lots of productivity and creativity to you.